Linking your bank account to Telegram can enhance your experience by allowing for easier transactions and payments. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account and have the latest version of the app installed for optimal functionality. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon or go to the bottom right corner of the app to find the settings option. This is where you can manage your account and preferences. Step 3. Navigate to payments. In the settings menu, look for the payments or financial section. This area will provide options related to payment methods and linking bank accounts. Step 4. Add bank account. Select the option to add a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number, or to connect through a secure payment service. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification notification to finalize the linking process. Now your bank account is linked to Telegram, allowing you to make transactions easily. Enjoy the enhanced features and convenience.